Hey guys, me Blaine. I'm back again, and today I have some new accessories I'm going to put on the outside of my car. I want to try to make it look a little bit cooler, add a little bit more of carbon fiber to it. So what I got is my friends from Tessery. They have sent me these mirror covers and door handle covers, okay, in carbon fiber. So let's take a look at that right now. So let's go ahead and look at these. So the first thing here inside this box I have is the door handle fiber carbon covers. Okay, what I like about these things, very, very lightweight, going to be very easy to install. We're just going to take the stickers off. I'm going to put some adhesive promoter on the door handle themselves, make sure they're very clean, put these things on, and there's not much to them. That is, as long as we put them on there nice and even, should be good to go. And we got 4 of them here, one for both front doors and the back doors. So we got that. Next thing we got is our mirror covers. These things are light, carbon fiber, very easy to put on. You see they also got the red sticker inside there. So I'm just going to put some adhesive promoter on the mirrors themselves, pop these things on there, and we got that one. And we got this one. One's for the left side, one's for the right side. It did come with a couple packs of the adhesive promoter right here. So we have these, and really that's about it. So, man, what I like about these things, they're so light. Carbon fiber, I mean, you can tell it's real because you can see the carbon fiber stuff through the inside. And on the Model Y, the Juniper, once again, I do have the 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper. It's got the little groove right here in it, so this will fit in there perfect. And anyways, let's get out there and get the car ready and install it. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna clean my mirror. It's not that dirty right now, so I'm just gonna use this alcohol wipe I have right here and just clean the mirror off real good around it. Get any kind of oil or soap or whatever you might have on there from your car washes on there. Clean it real good. Especially where the tape's going to go. So the tape is going to go all the way around the bottom here, right here. So make sure that's clean. Now that I got that clean pretty good, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my tape off of these right here. Once I have that off, then I'm going to take my adhesive promoter, put it around here, and then just simply pop it on like that and hold it in place, and that'll be it. All right, now that I got that ready, take my adhesive promoter here, bring this over, hold it in place. There we go. Got it installed. Let's go do the other side. Clean off the mirror real good. Put it on. Make sure it's pushed on there really good. Give it a few seconds to stick on. And I could tell when I was putting it on, I put it down, as soon as that tape hit that adhesive promoter, it wanted to grab it. So you got to be ready to push down on it hard and quick to get it to go on. And I think that one is done. Let's take a look here. There we go. I like it. All right, next one, we're gonna go ahead and work on these doors. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the alcohol wipe, I'm gonna clean it really good, and then I'm gonna put my adhesive promoter, take the tape off the new ones, and stick them right on. Let's go ahead and do it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and clean all these. That one seems wet. There we go. Get as much of that cleaned off as I can. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this adhesive promoter and I'm gonna put it a little bit right on here, okay? Got my door handle piece right here, ready to go. I'm gonna use my knife and get all the stickers off, and then I'm just gonna carefully line it up really good before I put it all the way on, like that. It'll be on there just like that right there. So, now if I want, I could leave partial of the stickers on, which I might do. Yeah, I'm gonna take them all the way off. I'm gonna be a rebel. Now this type here is a little spongy. Save it for my backside. There we go. Just gonna make sure I hold it on there a little bit. It's on there. That looks pretty good. Give it some time to really stick on there good. All right, moving on, doing the back one. Taking off the stickers from the back one here. I'm gonna take some alcohol wipe and wipe around this, get some of that adhesive stickiness off of here when I'm done. But that's it. Make sure it's on there good. All right, do the other side. Well, there you go. Got the door handles, carbon fiber look installed. Got the side mirror covers installed. Really like the way it feels. Looks good. Same thing down through here. Both sides. Kind of matches with the rest of my carbon fiber look I got going. See that? Looks real good. I like it. Takes about 15 minutes to install. There you go. Well, there you go. Once again, these covers and the door handles covers are from Tessery. The link is down below in the description of my video here. If you're interested in it, just click on the link. Make sure you use my discount code and it'll take you straight there and then save you some money. These things took me about 15 minutes or so to install. Big thing is just cleaning them, making sure you put that adhesive promoter on there, and then they install it pretty good. So guys, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I have a lot of stuff still coming to install in my car, more fun stuff. And guys, be safe out there, have fun, most of all, keep driving. Check you later, bye.